professionals to learn about new trends and emerging best practices. Foster a culture of collaboration and teamwork. Fostering a culture of collaboration and teamwork is essential for building a business model that is flexible and adaptable. This can involve encouraging cross-functional collaboration, promoting open communication and feedback, and creating a supportive and inclusive work environment that values and leverages the strengths of all team members. Develop a strategic plan for growth and expansion. Developing a strategic plan for growth and expansion can help you build a business model that is scalable and adaptable to changing market conditions and customer needs. This can involve setting clear growth targets, identifying new markets and customer segments, and developing a roadmap for expanding your product or service offerings. Build a strong brand identity. Building a strong brand identity is crucial for building a business model that is resilient and adaptable. This can involve developing a clear and consistent brand message, creating engaging and memorable marketing campaigns, and building a loyal customer base that values and trusts your brand. Foster a culture of customer service excellence. Fostering a culture of customer service excellence is essential for building a business model that is customer-centric and responsive to customer needs. This can involve training your team to prioritize customer satisfaction, providing exceptional customer service through all stages of the customer journey, and using customer feedback to continuously improve your products, services, and processes. Build a strong online presence. Building a strong online presence is crucial for building a business model that is dynamic and adaptable to changing customer preferences and behaviors. This can involve developing a user-friendly and responsive website, leveraging social media platforms to engage with customers and build your brand, and using digital marketing strategies to drive traffic and sales. Encourage innovation and experimentation. Encouraging innovation and experimentation is essential for building a business model that is adaptable and responsive to changing market conditions and customer needs. This can involve creating a culture of risk-taking and experimentation, providing resources and support for new ideas and initiatives, and rewarding innovation and creativity within your organization. Build a strong network of industry partners and collaborators. Building a strong network of industry partners and collaborators can help you leverage the strengths and resources of other businesses to build a more dynamic and resilient business model. This can involve collaborating with other businesses on joint projects or initiatives, participating in industry associations or trade groups, and attending networking events to build relationships and share knowledge with other industry professionals. Prioritize employee development and growth. Prioritizing employee development and growth is essential for building a business model that is adaptable and resilient. This can involve providing ongoing training and development opportunities for your team members, creating career advancement paths, and fostering a culture of continuous learning and improvement. Monitor and respond to customer feedback. Monitoring and responding to customer feedback is crucial for building a business model that is customer-focused and responsive to customer needs. This can involve regularly soliciting feedback from your customers through surveys, social media, and other channels, and using this feedback to inform your product development, marketing, and sales strategies. Emphasize sustainability and social responsibility. Emphasizing sustainability and social responsibility is crucial for building a business model that is adaptable and responsive to changing societal values and expectations. This can involve implementing sustainable business practices, reducing your carbon footprint, and supporting social causes and initiatives that align with your brand values and mission.